Hi, I'm John Shovic, and I'm the director of the Center for Intelligent Industrial Robotics. And I want to start out this talk with a choice I made. Many years ago, I had to choose between two different professions. I had to choose either going into electrical engineering or into musical theater. I decided to become a professor and merge them both. So what I'm going to be talking about today is robots. We have lots of robots. We have 40 different robots, all of which have names, like Larry and Bill and Beaker and Bunsen. And you know, we do a lot of research in robotics. We do AI for robotics. We do precision agriculture. We do AI in manufacturing. And we've built an industrial pinball machine, an industrial strength pinball machine that soon is going to be controlled by AI and will be sentient. It'll be, maybe. Well, okay, enough about this stuff. Let's talk about people. We have a community in Coeur d'Alene at the University of Idaho, have 14 graduate students, and the greatest bunch of people I have ever worked with. They're just great. Okay, well, this is enough about academics now. Let's go elsewhere. Let's go to awards. I love awards. I love to give out awards. In my opinion, we have the most prestigious award given at the University of Idaho in our department. Yes, it's called the Crown of Destruction. The Crown of Destruction is the annual award given out to the student that breaks stuff that gives me the most angst. Okay, that's the total criteria. It's not how much it costs, it's how much angst they give me. And we really believe that breaking and learning are very, very closely related, sometimes too closely related. So go vandals and go vandalization. That's what I say on this. So let's talk about the destruction, though. This is where it gets really interesting. When students break things, they learn. Here is a list of some of our past honored recipients. People that are current research students, current PhD students, current University of Idaho staff, and people out there wrecking havoc in the wild, at Schweitzer Engineering. I want to focus on a couple of the recent angst-filled events that my students have given me. Let's start out with Brent Knopp. Brent built the weed eradication robot, a $200,000 project called Evergreen. 3 engineers working on this. We're demoing it to the 6 USDA national nurseries on July 11th. Then the text message came on July 9th at 9 p.m. Said, we fried the robot with 15,000 volts. Well, there was angst, great angst. 2 days later, they had it fixed, but I made them run this robot without turning on the 15,000 volts. So everybody thought it was killing weeds, it really wasn't. But couldn't take that chance. Lacey Hunt. Lacey Hunt came up through North Idaho College all the way through and now has a full ride fellowship to finish her PhD. One of her undergraduate projects was building a gantry-based farm bot. It's a little robot that actually grows strawberries and things like that. Lacey had installed new lighting overhead and started the autonomous water program, and then she left for the night. Well, 20 minutes later, the robot ran into one of the lights she had installed and quit, like a good, friendly robot should. However, she had a bug in her program and had left the water on. She flooded our $5 million robotics lab. Okay, didn't hurt anything, but there was a lot of angst involved in this. There really was. So, our last one, Mary Everett. Brilliant, personable. She blew up her robot the very first day of graduate school, so I knew she had real talent. But that was just the beginning. Enter Larry, a giant 784-pound robot that is kept in a cage because it moves really, really fast. She was teaching him how to do disco dancing and to pick up things, and a small mistake was made. Her model was wrong, and the table was actually 5 inches higher than the robot thought it was. So it brought its fist down and went right through the table. Okay, she glued it back together, but bam, you know, she confessed, and we won the crown for that. And fixed her disco program also. So the angst in this was I was laughing way too hard about it. Now, Mary is in our advertising all over the University of Idaho website. The next time you see this picture, I want you to keep in mind, remember what evil she is truly capable of. So, okay, a last couple of thoughts, very serious thought. Communities of students count. School is really hard, and it's hard to create amazing things. And we're doing that here at the University of Idaho. Go Vandals.